Brother, I have the utmost respect for you. And your track record speaks for itself. Or wouldn't be doing business. Be careful who you let in your circle and stop make them drain your energy.
Honey, I'll tell you something. Respect your position. But know this. Me not take press. I make my own decisions. It was embarrassing and unfortunate with Celine did. But don't for a second think that she run my head. Nobody no run my head. My concern for the community is genuine. I'm stand by my word. Me no want the project to go up at the expense of unrest in the community.
Whole? No disrespect intended. Sorry for bringing up the whole dinner thing. Because it's really water under the bridge. Hey, just give me a minute. I don't want to hear that bad man. Turn up the scheme. Do what you have to do. Because I need that property here. Yo, just do what you have to do, man. Alright. Yo, I'm talk to you for more. So we're good now?
Yeah, man. We're good.
So how you and Mrs. Right? We're good now?
No, you know. I think that ever go good again.
Jano? Sorry for hear that still. But maybe for the best. Get your head back into the game. But anyway, me I run now, see? Me keep you posted on the property thing, see?
Alright, Mr. Tony. Hello? Yeah? Talk? No, I don't know about that, because I have some food this evening. Okay, well, if you want to tag along, fine. I guess we can talk on the way. Yeah, about 7 o'clock.